Alright, this is the second video, synthesis of magnesium oxide. Now we're going to do some predictions using the balanced equations that we worked with in the previous video. So we have to predict in this box over here what mass of magnesium oxide is going to be produced from 0.24 grams of magnesium. So we're not using 48 grams. We're actually using much smaller amount, only 0.24 grams. So how do you figure that out? Okay, well, let's grab our calculator, and what we have to ask ourselves is what's the relationship between the number 48 and 2.4? How do you get from 48 to 0.24 mathematically? And well, if you take 48 and divide it by 2, you're going to get 24. There's 24. How do you get from 24 to 0.24? You're basically moving the decimal place 2 places, so you divide that 24 by 100 and you'll get 0.24. So that means what we have to do is take all these values here and go through the same mathematical procedure. Okay, so when we do that, divide by 2 and then divide by 100, 48 becomes 0.24, the 32 becomes 0.16, and the 80 becomes 0.40. All right, and again, notice 0.24 plus 0.16 should add up to 0.40. We're doing a synthesis reaction. We're taking magnesium and oxygen, joining them together, so their masses should add together to produce the mass of the product. And so our prediction will be 0.40 grams. Dan, take a moment now and write out your explanation. Well, what is the theoretical, scientific sort of reasoning for this? Well, let's look. 2 atoms of magnesium react with 1 molecule of oxygen, which is made of 2 atoms, and we get 2 molecules of magnesium oxide. So this atom joins to that atom joins to that one to make 1 molecule, 2 molecules of magnesium oxide. So we can write it in our explanation. 2 atoms of magnesium react with 1 molecule or 2 atoms of oxygen to make 2 molecules of magnesium oxide. So again, if we follow the numbers here, 0.24 grams of magnesium react with 0.16 grams of oxygen to make 0.4 grams of magnesium oxide. This is the recipe for making magnesium oxide. All recipes, if you're working in the kitchen, cooking or baking, you need certain amounts of every ingredient to make what you want to make. Well, this is ingredient 1, this is ingredient 2, and this is our product that we make from our chemical recipe here.